In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify purchase orders and how you can optimize them for your business. This will be your go-to guide as you navigate the purchase order process within Shopify, and I'll make sure that by the end of this video, you feel confident managing your inventory more efficiently. Let's dive right in. Start by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. So if you're not already familiar with it, now's a great time to explore. After logging in, look for the Products menu on the left-hand side of your screen and give it a click. This will take you to the main Products page, where you can view individual items, update prices, manage stock, and so much more. Once you're on the Products page, the next step is to navigate to Collections. Collections are a fantastic feature in Shopify that allows you to organize your products into themed groups, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Click on Collections to open up a list of the collections you've created, or to set up new ones if needed. Now, with collections squared away, let's move to Inventory. Maintaining accurate stock levels is crucial for keeping your business running smoothly and meeting customer expectations. The Inventory tab provides an overview of your stock, letting you know what's available, what's running low, or what needs to be reordered. Click on Inventory to access these details. Next, let's head over to Purchase Orders. This is where you can manage the products you need to reorder from suppliers. A well-organized purchase order system ensures you have the right products in the right quantities at the right time, helping you avoid stockouts and increasing customer satisfaction. Click on Purchase Orders to open up this feature. Now, let's look at how to create a new purchase order. This process is fairly straightforward, yet immensely powerful in terms of inventory management. You'll see a button labeled Create Purchase Order. Go ahead and click that. This will open a form where you can select your suppliers, specify which products and how many of each you wish to order, and set the necessary details such as shipping and billing information. Take your time when filling out this form, as precise information is key to keeping your inventory well managed. Double-check the supplier information, product details, and order quantities to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the order. With this process, you'll not only streamline your inventory management, but also enhance efficiency in supply chain operations, which is incredibly valuable for scaling your business. And that's it for today's guide on Shopify purchase orders. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial as you adjust to the system. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find this information useful as you continue growing your online store.